Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the edit photos on upload function in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And as you can see, there is an edit photos on upload button. So if you want to enable this, just click on the gray circle next to it. And if it turns blue and it says yes, it means that this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.